As a homes editor, I know the importance of preparing for the harsh winter months. It's time to winterproof your home and garden to avoid costly disasters. Here's my step-by-step guide to ensure your sanctuary is cozy and protected. But be warned, some of these tips might spark debate among DIY enthusiasts and homeowners alike. Winterproofing your home. Seal the drafts. Inspect your windows and doors for any gaps or worn-out sealant. Redoing the sealant is a simple yet effective task that will keep the cold out. If resealing isn't an option, invest in draft excluders to keep the warmth in. Heating health check. Don't wait until the first frost to discover your heating system isn't working. Test your boiler now. Keep an eye on the pressure gauge. Low pressure can cause issues, while high pressure may lead to damage. Adjusting the pressure is straightforward, and YouTube is your friend for DIY tutorials. Bleed the radiators. Touch your radiators for cold spots. If you find one, it's time to bleed them. This easy task releases trapped air, ensuring your radiators heat up efficiently, keeping you warm and cozy. Duvet upgrade. Boost your winter warmth with a higher TOG duvet. Consider innovative options like the Simba quilt, which offers a summer and autumn version that can be clipped together for extra coziness during winter. Electric blanket bliss. Store away your electric blanket in summer, but when the chill sets in, bring it out to add an extra layer of warmth to your bed. It's a simple way to stay toasty while getting ready for bed. And here's where it gets controversial. Some argue that using an electric blanket regularly can increase energy consumption. But with smart usage and modern energy-efficient models, this impact can be minimized. What's your take on this? Winterizing your garden. Furniture protection. Preserve your outdoor furniture by moving it to a shed or garage. If that's not possible, invest in a good quality tarpaulin cover to shield it from the harsh weather. Final grass cut. Mow your lawn before winter sets in. This allows sunlight to reach the grass, preventing it from being smothered by long grass and fallen leaves. But be careful not to mow too late into the season. Gutter and drain maintenance. Clear out your drains and gutters to prevent blockages. While you can handle drains yourself, gutters might require professional help, especially if you lack the right equipment. Leaf raking. Remove fallen leaves from your lawn to prevent disease and ensure your grass gets enough sunlight. Regular maintenance is key, as Harry Bodell, a seasoned garden landscaper, advises. Pro tip: stay ahead of the game by starting these tasks early. Winterproofing is an essential ritual to ensure your home and garden thrive during the colder months. But remember, some tasks may require professional assistance, so don't hesitate to seek help where needed. Now, over to you. What's your go-to method for winterizing your home? Any tips or tricks you'd like to share? Let's discuss in the comments.